Our first notable risk for severe weather of the season comes for tomorrow, for your April the 23rd, across eastern Colorado. Could include the Denver metro area. Most likely, this stays just to the east of the metro. So let's start things off. First of all, today on this Earth Day, on this April the 22nd, we're mostly calm and quiet out there. It's tomorrow where we get that risk for severe storms for us across the eastern plains. Now, there's still some questions just about how far west we're going to transport some of this Gulf moisture. So we're going to get a fair bit of that low-level moisture, and we've got a storm system moving its way overhead. That combination will give us that threat for some large hail and damaging winds in this green shaded zone. So keeping a particularly close eye on, say, Fort Morgan, Lyman on east. But notice how close that green gets to the Denver metro area. That is exclusively because of just how far west we're able to transport all that moisture out of the Gulf. So that's going to be the big question here. Most likely this stays south and east of Denver. However, some of the computer models are showing some of those storms getting up to about Elbert County, as well as northeast Dougco as well. So the southeast fringe of the Denver metro area. So that would be the Palmer Divide and those areas where we will have a slightly higher risk for a storm compared to downtown Denver. Most likely in Denver, we get a brief storm tomorrow afternoon, and that will be our main concern. Then as we get into Thursday and Friday, we get rid of that risk for severe weather, but we get a lot more cloud cover and some widespread showers and some claps of thunder around, but that severe weather risk will be low for us on Thursday. Similar idea for Friday, maybe a little cooler, and then Saturday, maybe some stronger storms again. Once again, though, this will be on the eastern plains in Denver. Doesn't look like Saturday will be much of a severe weather day. It looks warmer and drier for both Saturday and Sunday, and for the first time in a while, we're going to have a mostly dry weekend across eastern Colorado. Though again, keeping an eye on that risk for severe weather on Saturday. And of course, it is now April, which means we're now getting into the kind of heart of severe weather season. In Colorado, though, our two main months for severe weather are May and June, especially the back half of May and the first half of June.